CFL, MH, HPS, etc. HID had been banned since 2015. What's best choice for further replacement? Yes, ANTSLIT HID replacement bulbs is best choice. And why? Because you can keep the same old HID fixture and achieve brand new LED performance with 2.5 times longer rated life versus traditional HID lamps. 50% less energy usage. Efficiency can reach to 160 lumens per watt, and notably better quality of light. What are difference between ANTSLIT HID replacement bulbs with other LED bulbs? Our size, weight, and lighting distribution is more closely with traditional HID. Other HID replacement lamps may be either too large or too heavily to fit your existing fixture. But ANTSLIT HID replacement bulbs are carefully designed to fit the ANSI profile, ensuring they matched the dimensions of your old lamps for the easiest energy-saving retrofit possible. ANSI profile design also means light distribution of your new LED HID lamps will be equivalent to what you've come to expect from traditional HIDs. Our LED can reduce 50% maintenance cost, reduce 0.5 times of maintenance every year, save your labor cost. You can always keep the same fixtures and achieve brand new LED performance. ANTSLIT offers the options you want, 35 watts to 450 watts LED. Our extensive portfolio of replacement lamps includes the first ever 1000 watt LED HID replacement. 2200K is available. Countryside Road, 35 watts to 80 watts, replace 100 watts to 175 watts HID. Auxiliary Road, 100 watts to 150 watts, replace 175 watts to 250 watts HID. Highway Main Road, 250 watts to 450 watts, replace 400 watts to 1000 watts HID. You can keep the same HID fixture and achieve brand new LED performance. ANTSLIT bulbs is best for your HID replacement. Visit ANTSLIT.com and learn more now.